Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. As you can see from the title of this video, it's definitely different. I know you guys come here to see my cooking and everything like that, but you can just move it along and you don't have to watch this video, But my all new season 8 starts in a couple weeks and it's gonna be amazing. All new content, all new setup. And thank you for your support and your patience. Now let's get to the gist of this video. As you guys know, my dad passed February 28th of 2017. And pretty much I was in a space where it's like I wasn't accepting that he's gone. Everyone else, they'll delete, text messages or try to delete things out of their phones so they don't get like the breakdowns. But I just kept holding on to all the messages, and I feel like it's not healthy. And as the new year approached, I feel like I needed to do something about that, because I literally break down anywhere, anytime, if I come across the text message. As if I go on my phone to text someone and I see it, I always read it. And it sucks, but I love him so much. I miss him so much. His memorial is coming up, and I feel like I need to try to help myself as far as healing, moving on, and things like that. And pretty much, I'm going to show you guys the text message. His last text message to us, which is me, my brothers, and my sister. That used to be her number, so y'all could go ahead and try to call it. You're not going to get through. And that's my dad and my brother. And this was sent on February 7th. That week was pretty much the last week he was able to really text, like be, coherent enough to text and call and things like that. And I feel like I just need to delete these messages out of my phone because it's driving me crazy. So we're going to get through this together. I'm going to read you what he said to us, and then I'm going to delete the message. And, then the memorial is next month, and I'm just going to try to move past and just move on with my life, The pain is never going to stop. No, like nothing is ever going to stop. But at least I won't, every time I open my phone to text, I won't see this message, and then, I'm back at square one. So, as you know, my dad's also a pastor, so, but anyway, to God be the glory for all the great things he has done. As you may know, I went to see the oncologist today. While she confirmed that there are cancer cells in the linings of my lungs, it is not widespread. It's called non-smoker's lung cancer. My dad has never smoked, drank anything a day in his life. All the other tests they did confirm that no other organ has been affected. They are awaiting the result of another test that was done to determine whether my treatment will be in tablet form or intravenous. I will be going back next week. In the meantime, I will be working on regaining my strength and energy so that my body will be ready for treatment. Praise Jesus, from whom all blessings flow. God, he's working it out for my good. Thank you for your prayers. Please continue to pray for me and my family. And that's what me and my brother and my sister responded, and that was that. And I kid you not, guys, like not even 2 weeks later, he was gone. And the thing that's eating me up is I was not there. I couldn't make it in time. I was not there. I didn't get to see him. Nothing. And I think that's where the guilt, like I have guilt because I didn't see him, and it's making me hold on to all of this stuff. And I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I cried enough. I did enough of that. I'm not gonna do it, but I'm going to delete this message, and we're going to do it together. Now, how do you delete messages from a number that's not even saved? Oh, Jesus. Help me, Father. See, I can't even do it because y'all going to see everybody else that I'm texting. Okay, so hopefully my editor can edit that out or blur it out, but right here, We're going to do it together. That's him right there. And we're going to delete. Hopefully that's not too dramatic for you guys. Like I said, I share every single thing with y'all. And it's not about me trying to get people to feel sorry for me. It's the fact of venting. I feel like if I don't vent, I'll fall into depression or something. And this is my way of venting on my channel. And again, you don't have to watch it. You don't have to feel sorry for me. You don't have to anything. But I really appreciate all the kind words. Everyone in my family that's been super, super supportive to me. My mom, especially my mom. Keep praying for my mom because she needs all the praise she can get. You know, that's been her husband for almost 40 years. I couldn't even imagine. Like, I couldn't even, like, that's my father, I understand. But I couldn't even imagine losing a husband I've been with for almost 40 years. So, I want to thank you guys for everything. All new videos coming up. And, yeah. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.